Obaseki cannot be inside trying to compromise the will of the people. I want you to go live. My name is Dennis Osagbonro Dausa.
Yes.
I'm a serving member of House of Representatives and the Deputy Governorship of All Progressive Congress. We are here because Obaseki is inside. Why will Obaseki be in the office of the INEC? Is he an INEC officer?
To do what?
We are here. We will refuse to go in. Obaseki is not greater than average Nigeria. We are asking Nigerian police to tell Obaseki to come out before we lose our sense of decency. Thank you very much.
We are law abiding. We are law abiding. Enough is enough of this rubbish. A police officer was killed without no remorse. Nothing. Now he's coming here. To do what? For INEC? For God's sake, the law must take its course. This is the end of Obaseki in Edo State. He has failed woefully. He wants to come and bribe. You want to come and bribe? Oh, shame on him. Shame on you.
He has allegedly brought in $5 million and was allowed to pass through this gate by the police. Now, the deputy governorship candidate of our great party, the incoming deputy governor in the next few hours, has been kept outside here for more than 1 hour. The national secretary of our party, the national vice chairman, South, this is his zone. He's been kept outside here. I am the state chairman, APC Cross River State, representing the 36 state chairmen, including FCT in Abuja, have been kept outside here. A sitting senator that came as an observer is here. MD of NDDC, we've all been kept outside here for a criminal that came here with so many dollars to compromise INEC. Please, let this get to the authority. It is because we are very civil and decent. In a PDP-led federal government, I do not think this would have been condoned. But we are respecting Nigerian police. We are sympathizing with them because of the life that was lost, orchestrated by the same Obaseki some few weeks back. That is why we are sympathizing with the police. Or else, heaven would have let loose. We have not slept in the last 3 days. We are protecting our mandate. It is very clear from our situation report that we have a comfortable lead. But Obaseki has been inside there to compromise the will of the people. And we call on the DIG, who is already inside there, that in the next 30 minutes, we might not be able to contain and maintain our anger. We'll bring in our boys. But when it happens, the IG should know that his DIG that is posted here, alongside the boys he's working with, have taken a position that is far from the decent professional expectation of any Nigerian police.